All right, here's NSCAS Part 3, Review, the Ice Cream Poem. And here you see your poem, and it is separated, as you know, into stanzas. And it has a total of 8 stanzas about ice cream. And here you have a question, number 1, that is in 2 parts, Part A and Part B. And it's talking about figurative language. And then your Part B is, why did the author include this figurative language? And remember, Part B has to match with Part A for you to get the answer correct. Here's your answer to Part A. Here's your answer to Part B. Question 2, you will choose 2 answers. Okay, why do you think that the ice cream shop worker in the poem is kind? 2 reasons. Choose 2 down here. If you only choose 1, you don't get the points. Choose 2. Question 3, you've got a Part A and a Part B. Remember, Part B supports Part A, so you have to put, well, how do you think the main character of the poem felt when he realized he forgot to pay for the ice cream? And then which stanza supports your answer? So how does he feel? And then go up and find which stanza supports that, which number. And then you answer there. This one's a short one. Do your best.